Welcome to Knut Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the Mechanics Lathe Basic 170 Super. Lathes of the Basic series have proven themselves in countless workshops and training centres. The machine bed made of high-quality grey cast iron is stable and torsion resistant. All gears and transmission shafts are hardened and ground and run in a closed oil bath with little maintenance. The spindle bearing may be adjusted and ensures the highest level of guiding accuracy over the long term. All-round careful processing and the selection of high-quality components enable the machine to run extremely smoothly and reliably. Modern LED lighting is integrated in the protective cover and ensures good visibility and safety in the work area. The multi-compatible quick change tool holder system is standard on every Knut lathe. This makes setting up the turning tool particularly easy and changing tools is easy. The micrometer bed stop may be used to precisely limit the travel path, which means that even small series can be processed with high efficiency. A safety lock on the support prevents the simultaneous operation of the leading and feed spindle feed. Digital position displays facilitate precise work, save time and increase productivity. Glass scales are the best solution for precise measurement. They are not sensitive to temperature and thanks to their design and protected installation are absolutely reliable in the tough everyday workshop environment. The base offers storage space for accessories. A steady and a flow rest are indispensable for machining long workpieces. The tailstock may be easily positioned on the machining bed. It may be adjusted laterally for taper turning and the large pill stroke is an advantage for drilling work. Here at Knut Machine Tools we offer a variety of lathes that are ideal for reduction or single item production. Contact your nearest Knut representative today.